Alright, so I finally made the decision to get a MacBook Pro.
So if you have Apple Plus, only this amount you need to pay. Okay, rather than this lah. Okay.
I ordered my laptop via the student discount on Apple because Apple did announce a university student discount which offers you a free AirPods or an Apple Pencil when you purchase an iPad. But if you purchase a MacBook, you either get a Magic Mouse or AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancellation. I got the AirPods 4 and I picked it up in TRX on a separate day. After picking up the AirPods, I had to wait out another few days before I can collect my laptop. So let's jump to the collection day of my laptop. Thank you so much. Owning a MacBook has always been a little dream of mine. It never occurred to me that I needed one that badly, and second of all, I have been a Windows user for the last 6 or 7 years. So the model I got was a MacBook Pro M4 Pro chip with 12-core CPU and 16-core GPU, and I also got it in the 24GB unified memory. So the default one has a 512 SSD storage, but I upgraded it to 1TB, and because of this, my pickup for the laptop and also my AirPods have to be in separate days because it probably needed more time to assemble the device. It's considered customization as long as you change anything out of its original default specs. The storage upgrade was very much needed because I edit on a lot of footages and 512 is just not enough for me. So for my laptop, there are some accessories that I cannot live without. So first is the Logitech mouse. I'm going to put the model name on the side here. This one is gifted by my boyfriend. It is a ergonomic mouse, which is really great for when you want to edit for long hours. It doesn't strain your arms. And then two other things that I really love with the MacBook is both of my other Apple devices, which are the iPhone and also the iPad. I love that you are able to airdrop things around and you save a lot of time without having to send files via email or send attachments through WhatsApp and Dropbox and all of that. So that really saved me a lot of time. Even that I'm recording this audio separately on this microphone on my iPad, I can just airdrop it directly to my laptop over there. So yeah, there are some things that really saved up some time. Now that I have been using the devices for about 2 months now, I could say that I'm a fan of the AirPods because I used to not be a wireless headphone girly, but now I am. I'm addicted to using it in the adaptive mode and the noise cancellation mode whenever I'm on the MRT, so that is amazing. I'm also using the NuPhy Air 75 V3 keyboard, which is a low profile mechanical keyboard. Huge thanks to NuPhy for sending this over, because I sometimes do like to have a bit of extensions or nail acrylics, gel X extensions. It's really lovely to still be able to use a mechanical keyboard when you have nail extensions on, and also the sound is really clicky and creamy. Creamy is the best way to describe this keyboard. This keyboard is mainly optimized for Mac users, but it's very versatile. You can switch it to Windows, and they also come with keycaps for Windows as well. One of the more special things is it comes in a knob. You can install it on, and once you twist it, you can adjust the volume right on your keyboard, which is actually really lovely. There's also a pretty nice selections of the backlight and also the lighting on the sidebars over there. I am also giving you guys a mechanical keyboard from NuPhy as well. It is the same model, same color, and also the same switches because we can have matching sets. I haven't done a giveaway in so long, and I felt like it's finally time to give back to you guys. And unfortunately, this giveaway is only open for people around Southeast Asia, so please make sure to go through the list in the description box just to see if your country is eligible for the giveaway, because there are some shipping limitations. To join the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Next, comment why you want to win this keyboard along with your IG handle, as that will be the way I'll contact the winner. This giveaway is only open to Southeast Asia and ends on the 13th of September. Winner will be announced on my Instagram and YouTube community. It has been a really great journey on YouTube. You guys have seen me from my journaling era to my pen paling era, which I will update about my pen paling situation very soon. And also, you guys have been here since SPM and then going through my foundation studies, and now that I'm graduating, it's finally time to give back. So now that I'm able to have all of these things, majority comes from you guys. If it wasn't for you guys who supported me back then, I wouldn't be able to monetize my content. And a lot of you are students like me who probably are still saving up for a new laptop, saving up for a new device, or either have dreams to own specific items in life. This would be a really lovely gift for one of you. I also really want to thank NuPhy for saying yes to participate in doing this for you guys as well. Not many brands would actually say yes to this, because initially they only want to send me a keyboard for myself, but I thought, hey, let's do this for my subscribers, and they were so cool with it. So now I have two over here. Really clearly this one is still packaged. I hope one of you can enjoy this keyboard and find ways to be more productive and efficient in your workflow. So let me share my final thoughts about getting this new device and also with the accessories and all that. First of all, love the UI. I have always been a huge fan of Apple's interface and the really clean and minimalist look. You don't really get that on a lot of other different systems, and workflow has been amazing. Oh my goodness. Now that I have the access to airdrop things across different devices, it has been a game changer. It has changed my workflow. It has been really nice to work with. Battery life is insane as well. I always have to bring my chargers out whenever I use my laptop, but now I don't. And even before that, the ZenBook's battery could hold up pretty well too, so I would say that's quite on par. But other than that, wow, I love the screen, I love the UI, I love customizing the widgets. Yeah, I'm not going back. So the total of my laptop came up to 8,624 ringgit. I do think it is incredibly pricey for a laptop, but it was very much needed. With the student discount, it actually helped me save a lot. For me, it's an investment because I do have retainer clients. I am a freelance videographer and I do monetize my videos. With the fact that I have a new camera now, I also need to brush up on my editing, learn how to really grasp content creation to the fullest. Now that I've used it for 2 months, is it necessary to get the M4 Pro chip? I don't think so, because I feel like it's already powerful enough. Even when I was doing 3D renders and motion graphics, it runs really smoothly. I don't know, but I would do a check-in with you guys in another few months. With the AirPods 4 as a free gift, I actually saved 829 ringgit if you want to grow my bit that way, but in total I'll let you know. I'll put up the original pricing and then the student discount pricing over here so you can do a bit of comparison. But yeah, thank you for sticking out throughout the video. It might be a different approach to talk to you guys like this, but in the near future I hope I can speak to you guys in this manner where I can do more breakdowns of my work, etc. It's been a really long journey from journaling back when I was 15, 16 to now. I am 22. Being able to have all of this is a privilege, and you guys played a really big part of it, so thank you. And also make sure to join the giveaway. The rules are down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.